I built this pulse motor contraption here after watching the video by Axel0001, and it's basically the same based on all his schematic, and all of the other parts are the same, except he was using a light disc and I'm using quite a heavy flywheel here. And now we're going to connect the battery up and then give it a slight nudge and get it going. Once it starts going, it takes a while for the flywheel to wind up, and the maximum RPM I got out of it was 217 RPM, I think it was. So just to shorten this up, I'm going to help it out here, just to get it up to speed. And once it's running, it just keeps going, and gradually gains in speed until it reaches the maximum RPM. The reed switch is at the back over here, and the coil is the same as Axel0001's, except I didn't use his LEDs in there. Now, there's one important thing I want to point out regarding this setup, and he was wondering why his LED was lighting up when his disc was running, and the reason I think is because we're getting a reverse EMF back into the battery when the coil field collapses. So I'm going to turn the camera onto the meter here, and then I'm going to connect the leads of the meter on, and I'd like you to observe the battery voltage on this little utility battery here. This is the voltages that show up at the battery post itself. Quite amazing, I would say. We're getting up to 20 volts, 35, 41, 12, 13, 17, 26, and on it goes. I think it's charging the battery as it runs. So that's quite an interesting development. And there you have it. 4 magnets with the north poles facing outwards. That's it.